We want to celebrate life of women because women gave us life. We would like to hear your stories about your mother, your poems about your mother, happy or sad, good or bad. We want to surprise your mother with you reading the poem to her on the air. The winner of the Mother's Day Poetry Contest will receive a trophy. But because we know a mother's job is so difficult, we will not be able to choose one winner. We'll be able to choose 3. Don't forget, we want to hear those poems and those stories. Email us at nikkinik718@gmail.com. Don't forget, nikkinik718@gmail.com. The Expectations Club. What is the Expectations Club? It's a club for people with positive attitude, respect, and diversity. Keep watching the show and we'll give you further details on joining the Expectation Club. Do you sing? Do you rap? Do you dance? Are you a comedian? Are you a model? We'd like to showcase your talent. Why don't you email us for instructions on submitting your entries? Email us at nikkinik718@gmail.com. We want to hear you sing. We want to see you dance. We want to hear you rap.